you guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish, your guide to all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now, before I begin today's episode, let me remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page, which has all the latest news about your favorite B-Town celebrities. And now, let's begin today's show. Tiger, Disha, Kajal Agarwal, and Farhan Akhtar are enjoying a holiday in the Maldives. Salman and Shah Rukh Khan to make special appearances in each other's films. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan shares a special birthday post for daughter Aradhya. Aditya Narayan reveals why he flirted with Neha Kakkad on a reality show. Kavita Kaushik and Ajaz Khan get into nasty fights on a popular reality show. Maldives के खूबसूरती में गुम है B-Town celebs. From the newly-wed Kajal Agarwal to the rumored couple Disha Patani and Tiger Shroff, many Bollywood personalities are sharing some gorgeous pictures from their holiday in the Maldives, जहां blue है पानी पानी और दिन है sunny sunny. After spending many months at home following lockdown guidelines, it seems like B-Town celebs are taking a much-needed break. And it seems the gorgeous islands and resorts of the Maldives are becoming a preferred holiday destination for them. Check out how these celebs are enjoying their island getaway. After a dreamy wedding at the end of October, actor Kajal Agarwal jetted off for an even dreamier-looking honeymoon with husband Gautam Kichlu. Kajal has been sharing many updates from her romantic holiday and recently shared snaps of herself snorkeling with Gautam and holding his hand as they swim past beautiful sea creatures. Kajal, who is wearing a black monokini in the pictures, and in the caption that she is both in love with and afraid of the ocean. जहां काजल अपने हनीमून मालदीव्स में एंजॉय कर रही हैं, वहीं रूमर्ड कपल टाइगर एंड दिशा आल्सो सीम टू बी इन द मालदीव्स टुगेदर. While the two didn't share any snaps of themselves together, दोनों ही अपने toned physiques को beachwear में social media पे flaunt कर रहे हैं. While Disha shared some smoldering pictures of herself in a bikini, Tiger ने दोस्ताना स्टाइल येलो हॉट पैंट्स में पोज करते हुए कई फोटोज अपने सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर किए हैं. Well, they may be taking holidays together, but they still aren't admitting they are a couple. Farhan Akhtar has also been enjoying snorkeling and chilling with his girlfriend Shibani and daughter Akira in the Maldives. Dancing on the beach or just enjoying gorgeous sunsets, फरहान पूरी तरह से अपने much needed vacation को enjoy कर रहे हैं. Shibani also shared an adorable picture of herself and Farhan enjoying some time in the pool as they gaze at the ocean and captioned it, "Happy place." Apart from these celebs, Katrina Kaif, Neha Dhupia and her husband Angad Bedi and even fashion designer Masaba Gupta have chosen Maldives as their holiday destination or visited for work in the past month. Looks like B-Town residents are all set to leave the troubles of 2020 behind and make a fresh start with a great holiday. Special favors with special appearances seem to be the motto for Salman and Shah Rukh Khan. After reports that Salman would make a special appearance in Shah Rukh Khan's comeback film Pathaan, now we hear that Shah Rukh Khan भी Tiger 3 में अपने पठान के रोल को reprise करेंगे and make a special cameo appearance. Shah Rukh and Salman went through a rough patch when they weren't speaking to each other after a nasty fallout. But it looks like all is well in the Khandan now, with Salman and Shah Rukh going out of their ways to be supportive of each other's films. The two superstars will now be a part of a YRF crossover special, जहां दोनों ही अपने big budget films के roles को एक दूसरे की फिल्मों में play करेंगे. Check out the story.
कोई भी धंधा छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता।
अबे तो जल्दी से पिक्चर चालू करना है, धंधा कर रहा है, कुछ कर नहीं रहा।
SRK has been away from the big screen for almost 2 years now and has big hopes from his next film Pathaan, which is being produced by Yash Raj Films, while YRF has not made any official announcement yet. Pathaan is reportedly being made on a lavish budget और शाहरुख के साथ इस फिल्म में दिखेंगी उनकी शांति प्रिया दीपिका पादुकोण एंड जॉन एब्राहम, who is reportedly playing a baddie in the film. Shah Rukh has also been spotted with what seems to be his new look from Pathaan, complete with long hair and a beard. We now hear that Salman bhi YRF के साथ Tiger 3 पे काम करने वाले हैं and has decided to give Shah Rukh some much needed support and do a special appearance in his comeback film. सुनने में आया है कि Salman will be seen as Tiger in Pathaan, but he will not be the only one doing a YRF crossover appearance.
भाई यहाँ पे लास्ट मार के बस
भाई लास्ट मार दिया।
Shah Rukh has decided to return Salman's favor and make a special appearance as his character from Pathaan in Salman's Tiger 3, which is rumored to be YRF's most expensive film so far. लगता है SRK special appearance specialist बनते जा रहे हैं. After small cameos in ए दिल है मुश्किल, ब्रह्मास्त्र and reportedly even लाल सिंह चड्ढा, अब वो सलमान के टाइगर 3 में भी दिखेंगे. Well, all we can say is that we aren't complaining. Fans will be eager to see both these superstars together, and hopefully we will get some more details and an official confirmation very soon. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is a doting mother to little Aradhya, and the stunning star shared some adorable pictures with her daughter as she turned a year older this year. Aradhya, who turned 9 this year, celebrated her birthday with just her immediate family, since the lockdown and the pandemic continues to maintain its restrictions, and that meant that a big birthday party was not possible. The Bachchans suffered a health setback a few months ago with Amit Ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and little Aradhya all testing positive for the pandemic-related virus. However, they have all bounced back and have resumed work as well. The family chose not to have their annual Diwali get-together given the ongoing pandemic and the passing away of Ritu Nanda, who is Shweta Bachchan's mother-in-law. But they made sure to celebrate little Aradhya's birthday with a little intimate family party. Check it out. After grandfather Amitabh Bachchan shared an adorable collage of Aradhya's pictures from ages of 1 to 9, mother Aishwarya took to social media to share pictures of her daughter, who looked cute in a pink frock and matching hairband. Aishwarya, who seems to have made sure to dress up for the small house party, was wearing a black outfit with red lipstick and winged eyeliner. Aishwarya shared 2 photos of herself and Aradhya, and the 2 more pictures which included Papa Abhishek Bachchan as well. Ash ने अपनी बेटी को ढेर सारी दुआएं और आशीर्वाद दी and wrote a heartfelt caption that said, "Happiest 9th birthday, the absolute love of my life, my darling angel Aradhya. I love you eternally, infinitely and unconditionally, forever and beyond. God bless you and I thank God every breath I take for you in my life. Love, love, love you." Looks like it was a sweet and simple birthday this year for Aradhya, who had a rough time sometime back after needing to be hospitalized for the pandemic-related virus. We hope you had a great birthday, little Aradhya, and we wish you lots of good health and good wishes for the years to come. Aditya Narayan has finally revealed to comedian and chat show host Kapil Sharma कि क्यों उन्होंने नेहा कक्कड़ के साथ एक सिंगिंग रियलिटी शो पे इस कदर फ्लर्ट किया कि दोनों के रिलेशनशिप के चर्चे शुरू हो गए. Aditya, who has also shared that he will be taking a break from social media to focus on a wedding, revealed to comedian and TV show host Kapil Sharma why he flirted with Neha Kakkad after all. Days after singer Neha Kakkad and Rohanpreet Singh got married in a wedding that charmed the entire nation, Aditya Narayan announced that he and longtime girlfriend Shweta Agarwal will also be getting married this year. But not so long ago, there were rumors that Neha and Aditya were about to get married after their fabulous chemistry had people intrigued on the sets of a singing reality show. Take a look. According to Aditya's revelation, he flirted with all the female judges on the show and Neha was one of them.
हॉल बुक हो गया है और कार्ड छप गए. एक छोटा सा काम है बस नेहा की हाँ बाकी है, बाकी सब कुछ हो गया है.
जितने भी रियलिटी शो मैंने किए हैं, फीमेल जजेस के साथ फ्लर्ट किया है. But turns out, when he tried to flirt with veteran singer Alka Yagnik ji, his father got upset क्योंकि अलका जी उनकी फेवरेट हैं.
Hi Neha, how are you? टाइमली एंट्री हो रही है. नेहा के लिए, मेरी नेहू के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. हफ्ते दर हफ्ते
दुनिया भर में याद होगा ऐतिहासिक दिन जब 14 तारीख को वरमाला पहनाएंगे हमारा.
In the last season of a singing reality show, there were strong rumors that Aditya and Neha were planning to get married after they flirted non-stop during the episodes. The two had even said कि वो उसी TV channel पे शादी भी करेंगे, but Neha later revealed that it was all a publicity gimmick to raise the ratings of the show. While Aditya and his family are busy preparing for his wedding with Shweta, Neha is currently enjoying her honeymoon in Dubai with husband Rohanpreet Singh, and the two even celebrated Diwali together while watching firecrackers from their hotel room in a 5-star hotel.
Happy Diwali! I love you!
The couple shared a video of themselves cuddling together as they watched the Diwali fireworks, and Neha captioned her post, "Best room view ever. Thank you. Happy Diwali everyone. Rohanpreet Singh, love you." Neha and Rohanpreet also posted pictures in traditional wear and wished all their fans and followers for Diwali. The two seem to be having a blast and have been sharing frequent social media updates as they enjoy their first holiday together. Well, we hope both Neha and Aditya, who still claim to be friends, are happy with their respective partners, and we wish Both the loving couples only the very best of luck.
Happy Diwali! I love you!
Looks like Salman talks about being human, but unlike most humans, उन्हें winter में sweaters की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Salman is known to be a star with plenty of swag, and the actor who started off playing the boy next door became one of the first actors in Bollywood to build an envious physique, which, by the way, he's maintained with a lot of effort over the years. In fact, it's really hard to imagine Salman now minus the dabang abs or bulging biceps. Check it out. The actor posted a shirtless picture of himself flaunting his chiseled physique to announce the new autumn-winter collection of clothing under his fashion brand and was trolled by many netizens. Salman, who has been working out rigorously during the lockdown and building an envious physique for his upcoming films, didn't lose an opportunity to show off his toned abs and bulging biceps as he poses on a horse and announced a new range of clothing. लेकिन ऑटम और विंटर में जब लोग ज्यादा लेयर्स ऑफ कपड़े पहनते हैं, वहां सलमान की शर्टलेस पिक्चर saw lots of people making fun of the star. From asking Salman if it was his line of invisible clothing to saying, "Bhai, is this winter collection near the equator?" कई netizens ने सलमान की खूब खिंचाई की. One netizen even jokingly asked, "बिना शर्ट के winter भाई?" While another commented, "Promoting clothes collection without clothes, and that also winter's collection? Only Salman Khan things." But this isn't the first time Salman has posed shirtless on social media or has appeared shirtless. It has now become a tradition for Salman to take off his shirt at least once in all of his films and fight the bad guys while flaunting his chiseled physique. Even on social media, Salman has posed shirtless several times. While promoting Dabangg 3, the actor has posted a shirtless picture of himself with a mustache, dramatic wounds on his body, and fire and smoke in the background to create drama. लॉकडाउन के दौरान भी कभी सलमान अपने शर्टलेस पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करते थे, तो कभी जैकलीन जो उनके साथ वर्कआउट करती थी, उनकी फोटो शेयर करते थे, where he was often seen working out shirtless. Well, while the choice of pictures may not have been suitable for an autumn-winter collection, सलमान का टोन फिजिक देखकर उनके फैंस कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं. In fact, it has only made them more excited about watching the star on big screen and wait for the dramatic moment when his shirt flies off and his muscles are revealed. दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We've got a lot more coming up on the other side. सलमान खान का होस्ट किया गया रियलिटी शो बनता जा रहा है स्मॉल स्क्रीन फाइट क्लब. With Kavita Kaushik's re-entry, it seems the atmosphere is more hostile than ever, with Aijaz and Kavita even getting into a physical fight with each other. The reality show hosted by Salman Khan is notorious for its sensational content. लड़ाई झगड़े चीखना चिल्लाना और ढेर सारी कॉन्स्पिरेसीज इस शो के हर सीजन में दिखाई दिए हैं. In the 14th season as well, it seems that the scheming and screaming is not going anywhere, with contestants not losing a single opportunity to pick a fight with each other. Take a look. Kavita Kaushik and Aijaz Khan have been at loggerheads for a long time now. दोनों शुरुआत में तो एक दूसरे के दोस्त थे, but soon things went wrong when Kavita was eliminated from the reality show a few weeks ago. Now with Kavita back in the house, लगता है दोनों ने अपना झगड़ा जारी रखा है. In the most recent development, Kavita and Aijaz got into an ugly spat again over the cleanliness of the kitchen counter. Kavita passed a comment about the kitchen counter being unclean because many people make eggs जिसकी वजह से एजाज भड़क गए और दोनों के बीच झगड़ा शुरू हो गया. At one point, Kavita even pushed him, asking him to stay away from her. Ejaz is then seen complaining by speaking to a camera and saying that people have been eliminated from the show for far smaller mistakes. Kavita seems to be in a mood to pick fights as well with other contestants. जहां कुमार सानू को फेक और सकअप कहने के बाद कविता also alleged कि बाकी contestants उनके खिलाफ conspiracies रचा रहे हैं. However, Ali Goni, who is the current captain, accused Kavita of forming a group with Nikki Tamboli and saying nasty things about him. Ali और कविता बाकी के पूरे दिन दूसरे कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ बैठकर एक दूसरे की बुराइयां करते हुए दिखाई दिए. In the meanwhile, another conflict was seen brewing between Rahul Vaidya and Rubina Dilak, who are both vying for captaincy. दोनों के बीच काफी झगड़े और तानेबाजी होते हुए दिखाई दिए. But while Rubina got support from her husband Abhinav Shukla, it remains to be seen who wins the captaincy finally. Looks like इस सीजन में भी धोखेबाजी और ड्रामेबाजी की कोई कमी नहीं होने वाली है, but audiences are not complaining. जहां तक इस शो का सवाल है, more मनोरंजन the better.
Well guys, that's all from me today. Please stay home, stay safe and don't get out unless it's absolutely necessary. I'll be back very soon. Till then, check out the Zoom Facebook page and keep updated with your favorite B-Town celebrities. I'll see you very soon. Ciao.